I will be here.
Are you running?
A lot of people. And here also. I'm nervous. Soon the start. I'm afraid. This is my number. You know, here a lot of sportive people and a lot of people, and I have never run. It's so long. I will try. I'm crazy really.
30 seconden. We gaan samen aftellen.
This is
10,
strange.
9, 8, 7, 6,
I'm going to run.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is the start. Look, people are running. Me too. But I am not fast like them.
Ты не последняя, ты не последний.
Behind me, a lot of people run, and after me. I'm happy. I'm running, and now it's rain, and I'm very happy that I'm running. Whew. There are also people everywhere.
Albert, zijn beroemd. Ja, hop, 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 давай, давай.
Look, the rain is running. Maybe I'm the last. But this is the first time I'm running. And I'm happy.
I finished, and I'm not the last.
Here people finished after me. I'm finished. Yoo-hoo! I see the beer over there and Valentine, and hooray! I did this! I didn't know that I can. Look, after the running, people are giving us water, oranges, and a lot of tasty food. And here's the water. I can drink here. I'm very happy. I see you, and you did it. Very good. Cool. We walk with him and we run with him. These people run 3 times more than me.
Van de langste afstand